Rogers Motor Cars here. We've got a 2022 Range Rover SE long wheelbase 7-seater with the V8 supercharged motor. This one's in Fuji white. Only 150 miles on this one. It's got the exterior shadow package, makes all the trim black. We have the 23-inch wheels on this one. Pretty much loaded up. 3D surround sound, showroom package. Looks really good with the black trim. The third row is power. We have adjustable rear seats. We have rear shades. Panoramic sunroof. Use these buttons here to move the seats forward, and then you use these buttons up here to raise the third row. This one has heads-up display. Park assist, all the cameras. Very well loaded. Adaptive cruise control. The wood trim. Basically brand new. When you lock it, the door handles fold in flat, flush with the doors. One of the nicest vehicles I've driven. Very, very comfortable. I've noticed the seats in these are more comfortable than the last generation. They're softer, they feel softer to me. My wife drives one of these, so I'm used to these, and it's a very nice, comfortable ride.